from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A big expansion planned for a Henrico-based insurance company. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It is Wednesday, May 3rd, 2023, and it's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
Henrico-based insurance firm Richmond National Group Incorporated announced yesterday that it will add 103 jobs and expand its county headquarters on West Deer Parkway by about 7,200 square feet. The company's spending about $350,000 to make the enhancement. Earlier this spring, Richmond National Group raised more than $30 million in common equity capital from shareholders, bringing its total equity raised since its formation in 2021 to more than $100 million. A Glen Allen woman and her mother will compete on the Fox reality television cooking series Crime Scene Kitchen, whose new season debuts later this month on May 22nd. Christy Gardner of Glen Allen and her mother, Tarsha Joyner of Lynchburg, are competing with other bakers in an attempt to go head-to-head against some classically trained teams, all in pursuit of the $100,000 grand prize. Gardner is a native of Lynchburg, where her mother owns Mrs. Joy's Absolutely Famous Treats. Gardner owns Joy Jr. Treats in the West End. She previously had a storefront location but closed it last summer. 2 years ago, Gardner participated in a show called the Holiday Baking Championship Gingerbread Showdown on Food Network. Crime Scene Kitchen is hosted by Joel McHale. It features judges Curtis Stone and Yolanda Gamp. If you're into rugby, hopefully you checked out Glen Allen's Glover Park last weekend, where 26 men's and women's rugby teams from throughout the Mid-Atlantic participated in the USA Rugby All 2023 Atlantic Super Regional Club Playoff event. Teams competed in 4 separate divisions. We had a photographer there to document some of the action. You can check that out right now at our website, henricocitizen.com. The River City Slam Wheelchair Tennis Tournament is coming back to Henrico County in June. Sportable, an adaptive sports club in the region, will host the event June 8th through 11th at Collegiate School's Williams Bollettieri Tennis Center on Robbins campus in the county. It's a Level 2 USTA tournament featuring top-class players from all throughout the country. During the last 2 years, the event has attracted nearly 100 players from 17 states all the way west as far as California. And if you ever wanted to try driving a school bus, this weekend is your chance. On May 6th, the Henrico County Public School System will host a Drive the Bus event, offering interested bus driving candidates the ability to get first-hand experience behind the wheel of a school bus. The event takes place from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Glen Allen High School on Staples Mill Road. Bus driving experience is not required. Qualified driver candidates will be paid as they train. And a quick note, the Henrico News Minute will take the next 2 days off. I'll be out of town, but I'll be back here on Monday with all the latest news and notes from throughout the county. I hope you have a great rest of the week and weekend. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County. Henrico County is now hiring. You can visit henrico.us/jobs to view a complete list of all opportunities, full and part-time, that are currently available. Learn more about Henrico's commitment to its employees and the Henrico Way, and find out why employees like Henrico Police Logistics Asset Manager Kristen Gaines say, quote, "Henrico feels like my home. It really is my family. I can't imagine doing anything else." That's henrico.us/jobs.